Hello, everybody. I'm the host, Tracy. Welcome everyone to join today's TinTin Meeting technology sharing session. And first of all, let me briefly introduce the TinTinLand to you. TinTinLand is the global Web3 developer community for builders, entrepreneurs, and enthusiasts. By providing cutting-edge technology information, technical courses, seminars, hackathon startup competitions, and industry recruitment, we are committed to closely connecting community members to jointly build the future of Web3. TinTin Meeting is an online live broadcast program we set up, focusing on the field of blockchain technology, inviting technical leaders in the industry to explore the practice and the innovation of the blockchain technology with everybody. And today is, as shown on the poster, so the event is mainly divided into two parts. We are honored to invite Team Community Lead Stan to share with you the Onboard with xData and start earn by collecting data. And after Stan sharing, we will have a Q&A session. If you have any questions about Tin or want to know more about it, you are welcome to ask Stan your questions. And also, actually, 2 days, 2 days ago, we started our TinTinLand Web3 Learning Month. Our first session focused on AI, where we will dive into four Web3 plus AI projects to help developers enhance their understanding of AI. And it's actually starting from 2 days ago till the 7th of July. And we'll have live AMA and workshop sessions, like mini course videos and task challenges and Discord community interactions. So the first week specifically is focused on DIN. So don't miss out the exciting activities. We have the TinTinLand with DIN giveaway. So you can join the giveaway by scanning the QR code and fill the form. Basically, it's the Google form. You can see this one, but please also follow our Twitter and Discord. So you know the more upcoming activities. And also the first 100 people to submit a Google form, we received the xData chip NFT worth $60 each. And the deadline is actually today, so winners will be announced on our Discord channel. So please scan the QR code here. Yeah. So just let me, before Stan sharing, just let me briefly introduce like the xData chip if you missed the or like X TinTin AMA online like yesterday. So if you want to do any like interaction, you really need the NFT xData chip. So actually chip is the exclusive recorder linked to your xData account. So serving as your essential giveaway to accessing and leveraging its diverse features. Every contribution you make is meticulously locked on chip. So with chip at your fingertips, you can begin GODIN, your favorite tweets, securely storing your tweets on chain to craft a personalized datasets and curating your very own X agent in the future. What's even more threatening is that all your engagements with xData entitles you to earn wafers. So now, finally, so let's jump into the sharing session. So hello, Stan. You can
Yeah,
open
sure.
your
Thank you,
oh,
Tracy. Thank you for the
nice.
introduction part. That was nice. And so, firstly, I'm going to share my screen and hold up. Let me just share my screen right now. Can you see my screen right now? I think
Yes, yes.
it's live right now. Yep. So today I divided the sharing part into two parts. So the first part I would like to share with you guys about our roadmap and also the background or the roadmap. All you can say is uh, that is why you should use xData and why you should interact with xData and how the data we collect gonna be processed and where the like how like why this data is value and how our data collectors will be benefits and also soon I think I can introduce a bit more about our roadmap as well. So that will be for the first part. For the second part, I will jump into xData, the product itself, and I will show you guys there are around 6 steps, like 6 different steps for you to get started on xData like easily. So I'm gonna begin with my first part, and if you have any question, you could also record your question and ask me again later. I think I will give you detailed answer. So for the first part, at last AMA, we mentioned about DIN stands for Data Intelligence Network. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to build the first modular layer for data pre-processing layer. Yep. And how we use the data or how the data flow within the context of AI, as shown here on the PowerPoint page. So once we collect public data and also private data from our data collector, we get data and we do the data validate, and then we do the conversion of data. Then all the data should go to the data sets. After we have the data sets, we will do the data training, like separated by testing data set and also training data set. Then we provide all those results to the models like the big AI models. Then they probably gonna do the prediction or whatever they trying to use the data. Then it's gonna fit to the applications, for example, the GPT or the other applications you use, like you seeing right now on the market. That's how your data gonna be processed and what's the data flow of it. And yep, there are also for I would like to introduce the solution of the decentralized AI data pre-processing focus. We divided into 3 parts. The first part will be the data collection, like it's triggered both on-chain and off-chain data collection for everyone. But right now for xData, we only collect off-chain data because like I will introduce you guys a bit later about the on-chain data parts. Yep. And the second will be the data validation. Like we do the decentralized prediction with sharing updatable modes SUM on blockchain. This mode is it's an idea from our dev team, but it's not. We are still developing this mode, and we are still trying to find the best solution for data validation. So this is not a final result, but we are working on it. And I think soon you will see it. And for the third part will be the data vectorization. We prepare data for AI, like vector conversions for training readiness. This will be the solution for data. Yeah. And also this data processing circle, I think we mentioned in the last AMA as well. So the first from the role like perspective to look into this circle, like the first role will be the data collector, which are our users right now on xData. They are all our data collector. So once they collect data, then we provide them incentive mechanism. Then all the data they collected will goes to the mode, the SUM mode. Then the mode will do the validation, the data validation. Then we're gonna also provide incentive mechanism also here in the validation part. Then all the data will goes to the computation. Then we're gonna do the vectorization. Then also there will be incentive mechanism inside. So the most important from this circle is, as you can see, is already highlighted with the blue color, with the yellow color. It's about incentive mechanism, which means every role or every participant joining this data processing circle will be benefits like constantly, instead of only they're gonna only be benefits at the token near job. They're gonna have the utility like constantly if they still participants in DIN. And yep. Oh. Also, as you can see, the architecture here, I think for our old users, they already know. We had product analytics, which is the previous name Web3 Go at the very beginning. we started with analytics, which is an on-chain dashboard, and we're providing service to like big projects, for example, Mental, BNB chain, and also other projects. We're providing on-chain data, and also we build on-chain data dashboards for them, which we have like already a lot of on-chain data, and this is already how to say, this is already very this is already like like a very easy job for us, and we like we had data already for the off-chain data collector xData. Like we are having xData right now with us, and we have a lot of users right now on xData, like collecting data from Twitter right now every day. So we have the on-chain data as well. Then you can see here will be in the future what we're gonna do for data validation nodes. We're gonna soon we will have the validation nodes, and then we will have the computation nodes as well. So as you can see, this is kind of providing you a better understanding of the architecture. And here for the tokenomics and utilities, here is how it makes sense. Like being is inside, like between this part and also this part. So the part on the left will be our data collector, our users. Mainly on the left side will be our users, and on the right side will be our consumers. So as you can see, data collector providing data, and computation nodes providing the GPU power, and also the validation node providing the validation power, and then we will give back them with rewards like the DIN token itself will be the rewards we feed back to the participants and also the users. And then consumers, when data consumers, for example, like the big AI projects, when they need data training, they're probably gonna purchase the data from DIN, like which collected by our data collector, and also did validation and also vectorization. Then they're gonna spend DIN token to get those data, and the DIN token will goes back to all the rows we have at the left part. So this will be a constant utility for all the participants and also users. Yep. So as you can see right now, it's still a very beginning phase of this whole loop. And if you haven't joined xData right now, it's really a good time for you to jump in, because you can already start it with the data collector, the first part. Then soon we will have our node comes out, and also later on we will have more news comes out. Yep. So it's still very early right now to jump in. And for the data consuming right now, test night will launch in quarter 2, probably this month. We will have our test night. And who is our data consumer? We already had partnership with BNB chain, Road Data, or Platform Meta Network. Like we were very close with them already through analytics and also the previous product we had. And they are like right now we're still providing service to those projects. And yep, that's all I would like to introduce before I start jumping into xData. And I just want to give you a better understanding of what's our roadmap and what we are going to do in the next few months, and also how your data gonna be used, what's the data flow of it. I think you could understand it a little bit better than before. And right now, we can jump into xData right now. And as you can see, first we should start with xData extension download. So I'm gonna show you how you can download the xData itself. You can go into your Chrome extension, then you can click on extension, manage extension. Then you could go to the Chrome Web Store here. Like you can go to the Chrome Web Store here, you click it, and then you can directly search xData. Then it will show xData here with the newest version. Then you can install it, download it, and install it. After install your extension, it should be on this extension bar. You could double check xData will be shown here. Make sure you get it from official source. Like you can get it from our website, or you can get it from the Chrome Web Store. Be careful with any downloads instead of the official official way. Like now, we recommend you to directly download it from the Chrome Web Store and also and also from our website. Do not download it from any like Telegram link or Discord link or like Twitter link. Yeah, it's unsafe. So make sure you download it from the Chrome Web Store. This is very important for you. And after the downloads, you could go to the Twitter page, x.com home. Like you can, when you open this page, you will find a small logo here. In case you don't see my mouse, you can find it here. Like on the top right bar, there is a small xData logo. Then you click the logo, it will give you the page. The page will comes out. Yep. When you open, it should looks like this: xData AI data collection node infrastructure, and also powered by D. Now you can connect your wallet. Then you should select your chain, and also the wallet. Here you can select your chain. Right now we only support OPBNB right now, but soon we will have more ecosystem, more layer joining. For example, Mental, and also we are also contacting with other chains to like integrate more chains into xData. But right now we are live on OPBNB, and I think soon we will support Mental network as well. And let's go on. You click the MetaMask, then it will ask for you to connect and also to sign in the wallet. Now you can see here you already connect with your wallet. Then it will ask if you have a chip NFT or not. Like right now on that page is chip detected because I have chip in my account. If you haven't get a chip, it will ask you to purchase one. It will cost you 0.1 BNB, or you could participate in our campaign or join in our community. Try to get a free airdrop. Try to get a cheap NFT free airdrop. Yep. After you get a chip, you could click Enter xData. Then you will go to the main page of xData. So as you can see, there are a lot of components on this page right now here. On the very top, there is wafer count, which means how many wafers you have now in your account. And Power Center will come in soon. Like it's not available for now. And also the main points, and also the second part is very important for interactions. Here, as you can see, the xData space is kind of a space for your account in xData. Like it shows you storage units. What is storage units? It means when you're collecting data, we're gonna save all the data you collected into BNB Greenfield, and it costs storage units. This storage units means how many storage units you left actually BNB Greenfield to save all your data on chain. And if you find out, if one day you find out your storage is not enough, you could click this one to spend your wafer to purchase more units to save more data. And also the second part will be the GODIN chains. The GODIN chains it's kind of same with storage units, but instead of storage, this is for the chains. Like when you collect once like from a post, it costs you 1 GODIN chance, and you could also purchase GODIN chance from here. And remember, one account will like only have 20 times GODIN chance per day, and you could purchase here. And there is also a limitation for 1 day purchase on GODIN chance as well. And yep, that's all. That's all from the xData space here. And if you click explore space, then it will redirect you to our official websites, and you could go to xData space to see all the data you have collected in your xData. I think it's wrong wallet right now. I'm gonna show you. Nope, it's a wrong wallet right now. And let me change my wallet. Connect. And I go to this one to disconnect. Yep, sure. Now it should be good. Remember, you have to log in here on the website with the same wallet you use on xData to ensure you see the right information. Yep, here now it's the same wallet address on my xData and also the official website. You could go to xData space, then it will show all the posts or all the data you have collected from Twitter. It will all shows here. Yep, and then here will be all the earnings record as well, like what you did and how many waivers you got from the activities. You could always find the details here. Yep. And for the next part, we go to missions. Like missions here, firstly, there will be like normal missions, like basic missions for you to do. There will be 2 missions for you. The first will be charge your chip. Like charge your chip, you could charge per 6 hours, you could charge one time. As you can see, it will ask for a very low amount of gas for you to charge your chips. Like charge your chips give you wafer rewards. Yep, but you can only charge per 6 hours. Yep, and one charge will give you 3 wafers. And also for the random GODIN, what is random GODIN? Random GODIN is actually you could find out, like you could start explore on your Twitter page, on your Twitter, like any post you would like to save or you would like to collect, you could go to the post itself, the Twitter post itself, and then you could click on this reply, and you can see there is a green button called GODIN, and you click the GODIN button, then it will give you like automatically context. Then simply click reply. It will give you wafer, and it will give you wafers. This is random GODIN. This is random GODIN function, and remember, every time you're GODIN, it costs you chance in the xData space. As you can see, now it's only 18 chance left for today. And this will be the basic function of these two. And there is another mission called TinTin Alliance right now. Like as you can see, we have a lot of TinTin Alliance going on right now. Like this is actually campaign between Ding and also between xData and also other projects. Like we hold campaign together to provide rewards for our users. Like for each missions here, we give 250,000 wafers to the top 1,000 users for the campaign, and also there will be extra rewards provided by our partners. Like for example, there will be NFT, will be token, will be cash, or even a whitelist will be provided. As you can see now, the newest campaign is between TinTin Alliance OKX wallet, like the collaboration between Ding and also the OKX wallet. How you could join the mission, like you could simply click register, and it will ask you to register on chain. It will ask for a small amount of gas. Yep, after the register, you could click start. And after you click start, you could find out there are different keywords here. You need to find, like how this work is kind of an upgrade version, like update version of the normal GODIN. like right now, what you need to do is you need to find the keywords. You need to find post like contains one of those keywords. For example, right now you could search OKX wallet. OKX wallet. Yep. Yep. Now you have already searched OKX wallet. Then it will give you some results of the post. And yep, right now you could find out after under the logo of OKX wallet, there is a small GIF here, xData, and also the file small GIF here, which means this post is suitable for this Bidding Alliance campaign, which means there are OKX app keywords inside of this post, which means this post will be good for this campaign. If right now you click on this post and you go in on this post, it will give you automatically the content here. And once you click reply, it will give you waivers and also the scores. Yep, I will introduce the scores like right behind. And here, yep, this is one time you have already successed with the topic mission. And yep, here, as you can see, after the GODIN, you get score, and how the score looks like you can click leaderboard, and now you can see, now you should understand right now is Bidding Alliance OKX campaign, which is participants, and there are a leaderboard of all our users right now, like how much score they have, like what's the wallet address they are, and also here you could also find out your rank and also your score based on this Bidding Alliance campaign, and there will be rewards provided for our top 1,000 users always for each GD alliance. For each GD alliance, there will be like 250,000 waivers for the rewards to top 1,000 users, and there will be extra rewards from partners normally. And here is how you could join the missions on xData. And yep, after the mission ends, it will you could double check out here, end it, and you could always check results and what's the winner list and how much users participants and who is the winner, how much waiver they earned. Yep, and yep, that's all for the missions part. Yeah, and what else is also you could refer your friends, like you could click this button, and here will be your invite code. This is my invite code. You could directly copy your invite code, or either you could click on share. Then it will ask you. It will give you text on Twitter. You could directly post it, or you could add it by yourself as you wish. Yep. And also we are providing referral rewards. You could like double check later on our white paper, on our Gitbook, and there give you more details about the referral rewards. Yep. And yep, that's all from right now for getting started on xData. And if anyone have question, you can feel free to ask right now. I will give you like detailed explanation.
Yeah, guys, if you have any questions, please just post the comment. From now, there have like 700 something people watching it through YouTube. I didn't get any questions yet, and let me check.
Yeah, sure. Let's just give a second.
Yeah.
You're reading all those comments, right? Because I cannot see the comments.
Yeah, I'm reading it.
Sure.
we'll wait 1 minute.
Yep, we will wait, no matter.
Oh yeah, just let me use the time to share my screen.
Yep, sure.
Yeah, that's the QR code. That's the for the chip NFT. Please scan it, and also the Twitter and Discord, so you know who announced the winners, and also the upcoming activities. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Oh,
And also, don't worry if you can make it into like top 100 people to register for cheap NFT. Like, we're probably gonna provide more cheap NFT, and please participants and submit the form, and we will do the airdrop very soon. And I mean, everybody will have a chance to get a cheap NFT. Like probably after the first top 100 people get cheap NFT, probably we're gonna provide a certain amount of cheap NFT to do a lucky draw, or we're gonna airdrop to everyone if there is not a very huge number of people. Yeah. So please submit your wallet there.
cool. Then I guess for now there's no more questions. If there have other questions, just please follow our Dean's official account through X.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Also, you could ask questions in our Discord channel. We have our GODIN, we have our ambassadors ready to answer all your questions and give you like more detailed guides on xData.
Okay, nice. Then I guess today's TinTin meeting technology sharing session is come to the end. And thank you, the guest and Stan, for your active participation. And we will see you next time. Bye bye.
Yep. Thank you, Tracy. Thank
Thank
you all
you.
for joining today.
Bye.
Bye.